ready.
Why are you grabbing Master's meat, hellish blizzard?
Why do you care so much? Do you really feel satisfied being this guy's sidekick?
Stop that. Hot pot should be shared and enjoyed together.
Hey, come on! Don't take all the tofu!
Hang on a sec. You know, something's been bugging me since we sat down. Why are you guys acting like it's totally fine to eat someone else's hot pot? The Napa cabbage is all gone now. Go home.
That's right. Go home already. It's cramped here.
Means you too.
Silverfang I can understand, but some